little bit wavy today, but we have to do rescue 7 and missing diver. Missing diver is not the problem because at that point, a little bit away from the shore, there is not that bad visibility. Here is definitely bad visibility. We had a plan to finish rescue course, but I'm pretty sure we cannot because there will be a big problem with the exiting, and especially for such a small girl as Mahide, it will be really tough. So we will postpone it for another day. Otherwise will be. Anyways, we will play around a little bit. We'll see. Maybe it will be possible. No one says that she has to exit the person in this particular way, so maybe we will find another way how to do it. See you later, little bit. Wind is really picking up and the waves getting bigger and bigger. We were not able to do all the skills here, so we moved to the Gemeluk beach. We are really lucky to have Gemeluk beach, which it's really rare when there is a really big wave. So there was a waves, but it wasn't that bad. Luckily we were able to complete the dive master course skills, so that's done. Tomorrow we're gonna start the dive master course. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.